Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to make a rock cake. So first you need 1 kg flour, you need baking powder 24 grams, you need margarine 360 grams, you need sugar 300 grams, and you need 6 eggs. After mixing all the ingredients together, this is how the dough looks like. Not too light and not too thick. So you start portioning your dough using a fork or 2 forks to get the required quantity. For 1 kg, you're supposed to have like 40 pieces of rock cake. So using a fork, you start to press down the portions you had prepared before, just to give them shape. And then you lift them from the surface to the baking tray. Place them on the baking tray with some distance in between because they will increase in size. Break 2 eggs, whisk them well, then use the mixture to egg wash on the rock cake that you've already put on the baking tray. This helps to give them that glossy look after they are done. Place them in a preheated oven of 250 degrees Celsius and let them bake for a while. It takes 20 to 30 minutes for the rock cake to be done. And so you can remove it, place it down to cool, then arrange it later. After cooling, you can place it in your desired container and then you can enjoy it with tea. You can enjoy it as a snack. You can enjoy it with juice. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing to the channel so we can learn more. Thank you.